Today is a good day. Reason being, I'm one step closer to removing these horrible, loud, squeaky brakes. I've also got to chase up some of the most confusing little screws in these headlights because some kid at one point in this car has hacked it to bits, and that's why it's up on jack stands at the moment, because I'm trying to figure out what the hell is going on with the electrical circuit in this car. Oh, hey man, you coming to hang out with me today? Oh, you're checking out the Beamer. Yeah, cool. These little suckers I made up. So we have a look here. Those screws there. That's what I had to find. They just don't exist. And then that little clear thing, they're brackets I made. And they work. What do you think, bro? Like, how much better do these look already? They're not even on the car. The hand to caliper size proportion is perfect. They are Brembo, but I do like how it's got the OEM BMW. So I'm actually going to get these stickers made up. So when I'm painting it, I can replace these and then clear over and have that OEM look. So just pulling into Dizzy Decals now. I'm hoping he will be able to sort out the stickers for my brakes. Alright, I've got 2 out of the 4 calipers here because you won't need to see this 4 times, but we're going to start off by disassembling them. So this right here is the first caliper stripped. As you'll see though, I have left this bleed nipple in. The reason being is because if any fluid was to leak out of there, the fluid's actually corrosive to paint, and a good example of what happens is it actually starts to lift the paint, which is what's happened to this caliper's paint. So I'm just gonna leave it there and mask it up. It's obviously, you know, not gonna be as good as stripping it, but it eliminates the risk of any fluid leaking out. Within maybe 2 minutes, not even, this one's already stripped. It's literally just these pins here. I guess you'd call this like a retainer clip. Bang those out, they all come out as one piece. Simple as that. Prep work, all we need is a bit of 800 wet dry and a bucket, and we'll be wet rubbing these, just feathering out any damage. As you can see, there's little bits and pieces on them, nothing too crazy. So these will be quite easy to get ready for primer, base coat, clear. Alright, that's the first one prepped, ready to go. As you can see, just a few scratches here and there. They're all rubbed out nice and smooth. If you look at the texture, it's all consistent. There's no real shiny bits and pieces. And then you look at the original one, you can see obviously how originally glossy it was. Alright, just finished the second caliper there. As you can see, this is all back to metal. That's what you have to do when the brake fluid gets onto the paint, because it actually lifts it up and releases it. So what I've done is I've got a bit of 240 grit really just to cut it off and then finish it with a bit of 800. I'm just off to get the other 2 calipers now. I'm not going to film it, reason being you don't need to see 4 calipers prepped. It's all the same shit essentially, so I'll get them done and I'll be back. All right, calipers are all hooked up, ready for base coat. These took about half an hour each for prep work, just to make sure everything was consistently prepped. There was no real shiny edges, they were clean, everything was masked up, all done correctly. Base coat's all laid down, looking sweet. So now it's just time to wait for it to flash off, and then I'll apply the BMW stickers I got the other day, and then I'll clear over the top. I'm so looking forward to this. Time to chuck the BMW stickers onto the caliper like that, and then clear over.